Hi, I'm Sue and I'm here to tell you all about this wonderful Pfaff integrated ironing and steam board that's going to make your laundry and pressing so much better. The iron is attached to the board, but you know I can unattach it as well. The steam is coming from the generator tank, and again I can remove this should I so want to. Water goes into the tank, is heated up, and the steam that comes out is what engineers refer to as a superheated dry steam. This will enhance your performance on your ironing. But the board is also useful because we also have a suck facility. It will draw the steam down and utilise all the steam that the iron produces. But here's the magic trick as well. By flicking a button on the board, I can actually make the board steam as well. Have you ever seen that before? Let's make life easy for you. So let's do some ironing. I have a pair of jeans here, heavy, dry denim, and it's creased up on 4 sides. We're going to use the board as well to make life easy for ourselves. We're going to use the iron plus the board together. How am I going to use the board? I have suction on there that's going to utilise the steam for me, but I can operate the board by using the iron. When I put the steam on, the suction on the board also starts to work. The iron glides because it sits on a cushion of steam. There is no effort to this whatsoever. Go over one side of one leg, but what we've done at the same time is gone through layers 2, 3 and 4 all at the same time. The iron has a conventional dial, and as you can see I've got it at the steam setting. So let's do a pair of jeans again. Over the side of the pair of jeans, and now what we've actually done is gone through to the other side. So without worrying, I can get rid of those jeans all pressed and go on to do a very delicate fabric. So delicate that you can actually see my hand through it. I have not changed that thermostat control on the iron. The steam is doing the work for me. Let's talk about that suck facility on the ironing board. Not only does it draw the steam down, but it also will hold the garment into place. I want to work on this silk blouse. It could be curtain material, it could be large expanses of fabric, it could be a delicate fabric like this silk. As you can see, it keeps falling off the board. What I'm going to do is put the suck onto the board. That pulls the air through the board and holds onto the garment for me. When you're dealing with an ironing board, you generally iron with 2 hands. You iron with one hand and you move the fabric to stop it creasing with the other. The board is going to do the job for me. We're going to call it a tailor's third hand. Let's use that suck facility to hold the fabric onto the board. So maybe I'm putting pleat or pin tucks into a fabric. What that will do is hold that silk into position for me. Here we have a burnt out fabric, a very delicate fabric, but with a velvet in it. We're going to use the board and the iron just to get the creases out, but without flattening the folds in the fabric. So let's steam. But let's use the iron. I am not pressing down, we're on that blow facility to get the creases out without flattening the garment. Here we have a jacket that's creased up. Maybe it smells of smoke or of cooking smells. Well, normally you take it down to the dry cleaners, but we can sort that out for you. Put the garment, whether it be a jacket velvet dress, evening gown onto a hanger and hang it up. So now we're going to steam it vertically. Hold the jacket up and steam those creases and those odours away. So now my ironing is done. What have we done? We've done jackets that we've taken the creases away, but we've also deodorised them as well. We've also done different fabrics. We've gone from heavy fabrics to delicate fabrics without changing the setting. We've taken creases out without using an iron. You can do knitwear and things like velour. We're going to tidy up at the end of a day. So my Pfaff integrated ironing system has done the job easy for me. I've folded it up and as you can see it doesn't take up much storage, and the two wheels on the bottom there make storage and transport really easy.